Hey riders, did you know your motorcycle can be more than just a ride? In 2026, Americans are turning their bikes into income streams. And today I will show you how. Motorcycles are perfect for food delivery and courier jobs. Platforms like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Postmates pay well, especially in busy US cities where bikes beat traffic. Apps like Riders Share and Twisted Road let you rent out your bike when you are not using it. Americans are earning $50 to $100 per day just by sharing their motorcycles. If you live near scenic routes like the Pacific Coast Highway or Blue Ridge Parkway, you can offer guided motorcycle tours. Tourists in the USA love authentic riding experiences. Turn your motorcycle passion into content. Start a YouTube channel or TikTok showcasing bike reviews, riding tips, or road trip vlogs. With ad revenue and sponsorships, this can grow into a full-time income. Buy used bikes, fix them up, and resell for profit. Americans are making thousands by flipping motorcycles through Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and local dealerships.